Xiaomi is set to launch its much-anticipated 14T series, the successor to the well-received 13T lineup. And this is the first-look Xiaomi 14T. Xiaomi 14T has been spotted on Geekbench with the model number 2406 APFAG. On Geekbench, the Xiaomi 14T scored 4,389 points in the single-core test and 15,043 points in the multi-core test. It will come with 12 GB of RAM and run Android 14 out of the box. Xiaomi 14T feature a 6.67-inch 120Hz 1.5K resolution OLED display. The Xiaomi 14T will get a 64-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 20-megapixel selfie camera. Xiaomi 14T Pro is a 5,000 mAh battery with 67W charging support. Xiaomi 14T price also leaks 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage will go for €649. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.